How do you like the shoes?
I like them a lot, especially for this little run.
New Nike.
I got the Nike Metcon Frees on. I had to get this colorway right here, black and orange, so I can stand out and they see me coming. But
They see him coming.
Definitely feeling better on the run than the grass.
That's good.
You can feel more of the ground.
Oh, that's good.
They're kind of like the 5-finger toes.
Yeah. Sorry.
All right, guys, it's a partner workout. Today, my partner is Vicky, and we are doing as many rounds as possible for 18 minutes. It is 200 double unders, 200-meter run, and then also plate carry for 400 meters. It's starting to rain again right now too, but good thing this is waterproof.
What a cute little nerd. A cute little video nerd.
Good talking to it.
Yeah, hey, like what you see. All eyes on me. Yeah, ooh la la. Hey, ooh la la, ooh la la. Yeah, wins on auto play. This how we do it every day. Yeah, ooh la la.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. That was more than 20 for sure.
That was way more than 20.
Yeah.
It was super smooth too.
30? That was 30.
At least.
Ooh la la. Hey. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Okay, 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 okay. Ooh, we going high above. Yeah, it's on the up and up. Look who got their eyes on us. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Did that hit you?
I ain't mean to hold you up, but I got the Midas touch. This gon' be a golden rush. Yeah, just keep the pace up.
Get that on camera.
I think so.
Probably. So I would get this and then this.
Okay.
From the bottom, now we all the way up. You can't mistake us. Living every day like it's Vegas. Yeah, hey, like what you see. All eyes on me. Yeah, ooh la la.
All right.
How'd the jump rope feel with the new shoes?
Good. My shins are just like, I gotta get them woken up. Get them springy. But what's great is that my calves don't hurt as much as they used to when I start running. They actually don't hurt at all, to be honest. It just feels like my shins are bruised.
Yeah. This looks kind of funny. See, down the whole street, like
If I'm holding it.
just like everyone down the street, like walking with their plates overhead. Yeah, Vicky, they do look really good.
Finally. I feel like
Except
I've
your
been.
rope just gave up on you first.
And that's a brand new rope, actually.
Probably just a little thing that needs to be tightened. Yeah, I would say these shoes you feel a lot more of the ground, which I like, because it's not the hard bottom sole or molded to, it's not so much like the Rads are great for cross training, but when you got to run in on it, I would say these are the shoe to go for, especially because I need shoes where I can feel the ground
Take it or no?
just a little bit more.
It is just so funny to see like a group of people just like walking down the street.
I know. I always wonder if it makes people who are driving feel like, damn, I should get in there. All right. We're almost to one round, baby.
How long do you think you spend? 6 minutes? Probably get 3 rounds.
Probably. Yeah, we'll break up the jump ropes better now.
All right, I forgot to come out and record their last round. How was it?
You got 2
You are drenched.
plus whatever that was.
Drenched with beer.
I know, this shirt. These shoes held up. Nike Free Metcons.
Join them with Sutter hoopla, smoother than a suit and tie. Every time I cruise by, I got them saying ooh la la. Yeah, hey, like what you see.
How'd you feel?
Great.
Yeah.
It was great. So awesome. My partner was carrying the whole thing. I mean, he was doing everything.
Yeah.
Double unders were crazy good.
Today they were. And the other.
Was it? Who tightened it for you, them?
Me? No, it's like it just comes
Ooh
right.
la la.
Okay.